on 3D printers, so let's do it!
And we're gonna do it with Miss Serena, Layan, and Roba.
And we are from grade 5B from Al-Shorouq private school with teacher Sinan.
We have many sides to draw a robot, and today we drew the side view and the front view, and now we're gonna give it to Roba so she could build it on Tinkercad.
And now I will show you how to build the robot on Tinkercad.
We're gonna print the 3D shape by sending it to the 3D printer, so let's do it. First off, we're gonna export it. Then we're gonna press .stl. Now, after it downloaded, we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. Now, just like you see, there's a 3D printer. This is the name of the Wi-Fi for it. We're gonna connect.
Now the printer is printing the shape that we make it on Tinkercad. So let's see. Here we got the filament. And the filament is here in the heated nozzle. The heated nozzle makes the filament melt. And now it's working on the platform or the printer bed, and it's working layer by layer.